Hello and welcome to Dr. Carminati's channel, and I am so glad you're here. Today we are diving into a topic of immense importance. For public organizations, nevertheless, for all of us as citizens living in a world increasingly shaped by artificial intelligence. Our discussion centers on how government agencies can achieve success in AI projects through strategic planning, effective implementation, and ongoing management. But this isn't just about technology. It's about understanding the fundamentals that drive it and ensuring everyone involved, especially decision makers, grasp the basics of this powerful yet disruptive force. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a government program manager, or someone new to the subject, you'll find something valuable in today's exploration. So stay tuned, and don't forget to like this video, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. To set the stage, let's first understand why this conversation is so critical. AI is more than a tool. It's a transformative technology that can drive efficiency, innovation, and improved outcomes across government agencies. However, for AI to deliver on its promise, program managers and implementers must grasp the fundamentals, including the AI lifecycle and its core components. What does that mean in practice? It means understanding the journey of an AI system, from initial data collection and preparation to model development, deployment, and monitoring. One key concept here is the feature store. Think of it as the backbone of AI systems, a centralized repository where key data variables are stored, processed, and made available for machine learning models. Feature stores do more than support AI. They enhance agency-wide data governance, breaking down silos and ensuring consistency across initiatives. Without this foundational understanding, even the most ambitious AI project risks falling short. So, how can agencies turn knowledge into action? One solution is adopting a centralized AI platform as a service, or PaaS. Platforms like Google Cloud, AI Platform, Azure Machine Learning, and AWS SageMaker provide a scalable, cloud-based foundation for AI projects. They enable public organizations to establish what's often called an AI assembly line. This structured workflow starts with the seed of an idea, moves through prototyping, and culminates in full production deployment. The benefits are clear: faster development cycles, consistent quality, and the ability to scale projects as they mature. However, and this is a big one, AI PaaS is not a magic wand. For many, these platforms function as a black box. You input data and receive an output, but the internal workings can feel opaque. That's why program managers and teams must understand how data flows through the system. Transparency is not just a nice to have, it's a must for building trust and ensuring accountability in AI solutions. With the basics covered, let's talk strategy. Every successful AI initiative begins with a solid strategic plan. This isn't just about having a vision, it's about creating a clear roadmap that aligns with your agency's broader goals. For example, if your organization is focused on citizen services, your AI strategy should prioritize transparency and ethical considerations. It's also essential to outline specific goals and milestones, whether it's automating manual processes, improving data analysis, or enhancing cybersecurity. But the strategy doesn't end there. Governance is equally essential. This includes setting up AI centers of excellence, or COEs, to centralize efforts, ensure consistency, and provide oversight. COEs serve as the nerve center for AI initiatives, driving innovation while keeping projects aligned with agency policies and ethical guidelines. Here's another critical point: the data itself. Robust data management is the foundation of any AI project. If your data isn't accurate, accessible, and secure, your AI models won't deliver meaningful results. This means eliminating data silos. Imagine a public organization where data is scattered across departments, stored in incompatible formats, or inaccessible to critical teams. Sound familiar? Addressing this issue requires bold policies that mandate data normalization and integration. Feature stores, as we discussed earlier, play a pivotal role here, not only powering AI models but also enhancing data governance. But even the best infrastructure and data policies won't succeed without the right people to manage them. That's where upskilling comes in. Public organizations must invest in training programs that equip their workforce with both technical and ethical skills. Why is this so important? Because understanding AI isn't just for data scientists. Program managers, policymakers, and other implementers need to know how AI lifecycles work, how data workflows are structured, and how to navigate tools like feature stores and MLOps frameworks. Legislation, like the AI Training Act of 2022, which was created to ensure that federal employees understand the capabilities and risks associated with AI, underscores this need, mandating better training for federal employees. But it's up to agencies to go beyond compliance and foster a culture of learning and collaboration. Partnering with industry leaders and academic institutions can also accelerate this process. Now let's consider some practical applications. Where can AI deliver the most significant impact on government agencies? Think about intelligent automation, which can streamline tedious processes, or AI-driven cybersecurity, which can help agencies stay ahead of threats. And AI can provide faster, more personalized responses to public inquiries, improving the overall user experience. But implementing AI isn't a one-time effort. Public organizations must monitor their initiatives continuously, measuring their impact through metrics that track efficiency gains, cost savings, and citizen satisfaction. And what happens if your contractor changes midway through the project? Without strict documentation and a robust transition process, you could face delays and setbacks. That's why continuity planning is not just a best practice, it's a necessity. As we've explored today, the journey to AI success in government agencies is about more than just technology. It's about strategy, governance, infrastructure, talent, and continuous improvement. Each piece of the puzzle is interconnected, and only by addressing them all can agencies fully unlock the potential of AI. Now it's your turn. What are your thoughts on the role of AI in government? What challenges or opportunities do you see? Share your insights in the comments below. If you find this video valuable, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your network. Let's continue this critical conversation and work together to shape a smarter, more innovative future. Thank you for watching.